YouTube, people.
YouTube. Alright. I'm using the rest of that red and doing Sean Perry.
Hold on.
Y'all suck.
You can get me.
That had to hurt.
That sounded like it hurt.
Woo! Want to go up now? Huh? You ain't getting me.
You ain't getting no water.
I don't want your water.
What up?
What it is, ho?
Upstairs.
What it is?
Go down. Is it okay? Stairs, ho!
Stairs home.
Okay. This time we're going up 3.
What city you boys from?
Danville, Illinois, goddammit.
Are you a turtle? Hey,
Fish me as I am.
Hey, CJ, give us that ball.
Oh, that was a good one.
Throw the ball over the fence. There you go. Hey, Tyler, give us the ball.
Alright, I'm gonna shut the video off because the little boy next door is throwing a fit.
I think because he threw our ball back.
Oh.